Hello guys, welcome to Ideal Paint Mixing TV. For today's video, we will mix cream yellow and natural wood enamel paint for wooden surfaces. Cream yellow is the ideal color for the kitchen that doesn't get much natural light. It's the most luminous shade but has added benefit of chasing any chill. Natural wood color will always come back into style. This is because the color is classic, authentic, and timeless. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Okay, let's start. Thank you so much. Our client order, 1 gallon of creamy yellow enamel paint for wood. Let's start on a half gallon of enamel white. Let's now add enamel lemon yellow. Also add enamel caterpillar yellow. Stir the paint very well. Let's also add a drop of enamel black. Stir the paint very well. Let's add more enamel white. Also add more enamel caterpillar yellow. More enamel white, caterpillar yellow, and a drop of black until it's fully 1 gallon. Yes, it's creamy yellow already. Mixing accomplished. Next order, 1 liter natural wood brown, enamel paint for kitchen cabinet. Let's start on a 1/4 liter of enamel white. First add, enamel caterpillar yellow. Let's also add, enamel moly orange. Then add, enamel black. Stir the paint very well. We are more lighter. Let's add more caterpillar yellow. Then add more enamel black. It's almost the same, just add more black, caterpillar yellow, and moly orange to make it more darker. Yes, it's natural wood brown color. Already, mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you for watching. God bless.